Okay, the problem says, which inequality is shown on the graph below? For this problem, here's my recommendation. For each answer choice, convert standard form to slope-intercept form, the y equals mx plus b, which basically means you're going to solve for y. Answer choice A says 3x minus 4y is less than or equal to negative 12. So the first step to solve for y is to circle the y and draw a line through the inequality. The next step is to move the 3x over to the right side, so you're going to subtract 3x from both sides. 3x minus 3x cancels, and you get negative 4y less than or equal to negative 3x minus 12. Now, to get rid of the negative 4, you have to divide, because negative 4y means negative 4 times y. When you divide, make sure you divide all terms by negative 4. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 cancels, and you get y is greater than or equal to 3/4 x plus 3. Now, because we divided by a negative number, we had to flip the sign. So instead of less than or equals, it becomes greater than or equals. Now, if you graph the equation, it should look like the graph in the picture. So I typed in y equals 3/4 x plus 3, and I hit graph. Now, if I look at this graph, it crosses at the 3 on the y-axis, or that your intercept is 3. And the same thing in the picture, the intercept is also 3 on the y-axis. If you look at your slope, you could draw your triangle. And if you count your rise and run, you could compare the slope in the picture to the slope in the equation. So my rise for this is 3, and my run is 4, which is 3/4. The last thing you need to do is look at the inequality symbol and see if it's shaded correctly. This is greater than or equals. If you draw a little line next to the open mouth of the inequality, you get a P. If it makes a P, you have to shade up above the line, and this one is shaded up above the line. Also notice that there's the equal sign, or the bar, underneath the inequality. That means that the line needs to be a solid line. So all of the things that we need to be looking at actually match answer A. So our answer is going to be A. Now, if it wasn't A, you would have to continue the same process for B, C, and D.